For yard ant control, choose application tools that match the product form and the treatment area for consistent, safe results. For granular insecticides, use a broadcast spreader that lets you set a uniform application rate and walk at a steady pace. Calibrate the spreader by weighing a known area first and adjust settings to match the label rate. Then sweep the spreader back and forth with overlapping passes to avoid gaps. For granular baits, consider handheld broadcast spreaders or a handheld scoop for smaller beds so you can place granules around nest entrances and along ant trails without over-applying. Always remove excess granules from hardscapes so they do not wash into drains. For liquid perimeter treatments, a pump sprayer with adjustable nozzle supports coarse droplets that sit on soil and mulch without excessive drift, and a fan or cone nozzle can be useful for band treatments along foundations. Flush and clean the sprayer after use, and label it for pesticide use only. For baiting, use commercial ant bait stations that protect bait from rain and non-target animals, and place them along trails and near mounds. Replace stations when bait is consumed or after heavy rain. For targeted interior or crevice work, use a syringe or injector bottle to place small amounts of gel bait into cracks where broadcast products cannot reach. Squeeze and withdraw slowly to avoid air pockets. For protecting walkways and gardens, consider a sturdy woven weed barrier mat under mulch to reduce soil disturbance and direct ants to bait stations, and use soft bristle brushes or leaf blowers to clear debris before treatment so products contact soil surface. Common mistakes include applying too much product, which can repel ants and reduce bait uptake, so follow label rates precisely and use measured passes with a spreader. Another problem is treating only visible trails without locating nests, which leads to temporary reductions, so trace trails back to nests and place baits or perimeter liquids at those focal points. Many people mix incompatible products or use shared equipment which contaminates baits, so dedicate or thoroughly clean sprayers and never apply a repellent granular product near bait stations because the repellent can block ant foraging. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and tools recommendations that relate directly to yard pest control projects. We offer a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, product tips, and contractor referrals to help both homeowners find help and contractors find work.